How did heraldry identify knights in medieval tournaments? Imagine trying to tell apart hundreds of armored knights during a lively tournament when everyone is covered head to toe in shining metal. How did people know who was who? The answer lies in heraldry, a special system of symbols and colors. Heraldry was vital because knights wore full armor that hid their faces and bodies, making it hard to recognize them. To fix this, knights displayed unique symbols called coats of arms on their shields, surcoats, banners, and even horse trappings. These symbols included specific colors, patterns, and images that showed their family, rank, and personal identity. The rules of heraldry were strict to make sure each coat of arms was easy to tell apart. For example, shields were divided into sections with patterns called ordinaries. Colors had to be arranged so that a color was never placed directly on another color, and metals like gold or silver were never placed on metals. This made the symbols stand out clearly. Spectators, heralds, and other knights could quickly identify who was fighting or competing just by looking at these symbols. Heralds, who were official officers trained in recognizing coats of arms, played a big role at tournaments. They announced each knight's name and explained their heraldic symbols to the crowd. This was especially important in tournaments with knights from different regions or countries. Heralds' knowledge helped everyone understand who was who, even if the knights came from far away. Heraldry was more than just identification. It also showed a knight's social status and achievements. The designs on armor and banners displayed noble heritage and honors earned through battles or tournaments. Sometimes knights would wear coats of arms that represented legendary figures or stories, adding a theatrical touch to the event. In short, heraldry identified knights in medieval tournaments by using a special set of symbols and colors on shields, banners, and armor. These symbols followed strict rules, and heralds explained them to the audience. This system made it possible to recognize knights despite their armor, and reinforced the importance of social standing and tradition in medieval Europe.